really weird. I'm gonna get a lowrider.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Whoa!
Brakes aren't very good.
Today, Lewis and myself are driving from MTC up to Silverstone, and we're stopping off at a petrol station on the way, and we're going to be handing out grandstand tickets to some lucky winners.
So, mate, where are we going?
I have no idea. 1 second.
I've actually got two of these, a gold one, and I've got another one which is a 1956 camper, so 10 years older than this one.
What speed are we doing?
We're doing 55 miles an hour.
55 miles an hour. I mean, it's fast, you know, it's seriously quick.
Do you want to put your arm out the window? What is that? What are you? Yeah, what are you on about? Maybe this is just an American thing. Thirsty pigs.
Oh, yes. What one?
Yeah, mate, definitely.
This is for extra downforce.
Yeah, mate. Stick those wings out. Yeah. I think most of the time we listen to quite similar music, but before the race I listen to something a bit.
Normally he comes out of his room crying in tears and stuff.
Yeah, it's all a bit emotional for me. I go for the love songs.
With the Vodafone VIPs, they're giving away tickets to concerts and for fashion and music and all sorts. And also for the Grand Prix this weekend.
That'll fill it up 3 times over, I reckon.
Look at that. Look at that great picture of Jensen.
Oh, mate, we got to get some Magnums.
Let's make sure we get that one. We'll take car classics.
You got any camper magazines?
So we need some drinks. What drinks can we get?
There you go. Cool. I'm going to pay for my fuel. Are you going to the Grand Prix the weekend? Do you want to go to the Grand Prix?
You're not going to the Grand Prix?
No.
Why not?
Are you two around for the Grand Prix? Or?
I don't interested.
Oh, nor do I. I'm going.
It's 2 tickets there.
Grandstand tickets.
Oh my God, thank you very much.
You got to go now. What flavour do you want, mate? I need a double caramel.
I'm going to get mint.
Should we annoy this person? I'm coming to get you.
Some tickets for you guys.
Brilliant.
Are you around this weekend? I'm not asking you out today.
No, I wish.
Do you want to come? Yeah? It should be a special one. The car's going to be wicked, man, so good to see you wearing a flag.
Are you two around this weekend?
2 tickets.
All right. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, Renata. There you go.
Thank you.
That's for 2 people for the grandstand.
Thank you so much.
There you go then, mate.
What's that?
Grandstand tickets.
You're having a laugh.
No.
Very best.